All right, let's see. All right, so we're in a trade right now. On a combine, probably gonna hit break even, which is fine. Trade. We've been in the trade for a long time. Around 9 minutes, not really moving, same spot. Matter of fact, yeah, just leave it. Break even. Already moved. Inverse, not really holding. I'm cool with that. Finally getting out. Logging this account here. And then eventually we have another account and not really the best performance. Let's turn this up. Not really the best performance in terms of like managing risk and just following the system today. Just really bad trades on this one. I won't even lie. Let's go over this real quick. So we took longs at first here, and we got punished really, really hard. So we took longs right around here, and then stops were below this low. 1 minute time frame, you can see here, we just instantly went up, came back down. Trying to pick the bottom, not really healthy, and then eventually we went on imminent Q, and this is where a majority of the damage was done, I should say, because we're buying 15. Not really the best ideal scenario here, and we're just gonna punish those back and forth price action, not really the best. So that's pretty much what happened. You can see the market went up, came back down, and then eventually it did go up higher. And again, really just more of a gamble type mindset where we're risking too much, tight stops, not really following the system, not really having the confluences we need to see. We're just really just trading off of emotion. And yeah, that was basically what happened here. Same thing with this personal. This one got locked out with personal. And yeah. With this one, we just insert 15 cons. Same thing, really. It was the first trade. And yeah, we just got punished pretty much. But yeah, we weren't really trading the Express. I'm really just trying to get more funding. That's kind of why I've decided to risk a little bit more. And again, I'm not really going to try to punish myself by running 5 miles today because, again, it's not really on the Express. If it was, then I probably would. Because, again, that's like we need to be following system A1, A time, every single time, no matter what. But here, just really, I could care less, honestly. But, again, we just didn't really wait. We weren't really patient. We were just kind of impatient. We're trying to, trade when in reality it wasn't really there for us. And I'm kind of glad I got out of this trade, bro. I'm not going to lie. It was really, 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 really taking forever. And I just didn't want to be in a trade like this. And it just, again, it wasn't high confluence. And yeah, that's really it, bro. Not much else to it, pretty much. Expresses are good. I'm just trying to get to at least 5 accounts. Since the year's coming to an end, I want to get at least 5 XFAs. And that's kind of why I was just rushing today's trades. I won't lie. Because I thought, this is like the last good week of PA. I thought, like this is going to be the only time to get 5 Express. But then I realized, in the back of my mind, I'm like, why are you thinking short term? Why are you rushing the process? There's no point, bro. Like, just stick to your rules, stick to your system. That's how you got to where you were, or to where you are now. And every time we deviated away from it, it's just not ideal. And I realized I was being emotional. I was just journaling it too, So yeah, let's just go over here real quick. So yeah, just being emotional, writing it down. I told myself, like, bro, there's no point of thinking short term and trying to rush the process and like not trading the system, bro. Every time you do that, you just get punished, and this is like a testament to it. So there's just no point in doing that. So yeah, that's pretty much really it. I really have nothing else to talk about. I think today's PA was pretty good. I'm on live early morning PA. Let's go over this real quick, and then I'll probably end the video. So swept the high, and we were also weekly time frame. If you look at the weekly correlation, you'll see bearish. 4 hour, we had a candle range high. We also had this bearish BPR right here, which kind of wasn't getting respected since we did close above. But then eventually we have the CIVI, swept the high. What is your next target? External array right there. And I did miss this trade. I won't lie. I didn't take it. I was on the charts. I was on the charts. I was here AM session, but I just didn't take it. I don't know. I just didn't have strong conviction to take shorts around here. As soon as market opened and came back, and then eventually for YM, it was pushing up while the other ones were already moving down lower. I just didn't know, though. I just felt like I just didn't have strong conviction for it, if I'm being truly honest. But then eventually you can see here the market just dumped, and it did reach the external objective, and that's pretty much really it for today. Not much else to it. So that's, yeah. And then eventually we go for NMMQ, where you can see here we eventually respected this right here, pushed up, and then we started dumping, and then just met the external objective also here. So yeah, you can see that there perfectly. Just melted to it. It's like the same day as Friday. You know, Friday really just opened up, started melting. Those are the days where if you're in early, you just, it's beautiful A1. But that's pretty much really it, guys. What I plan on doing, really just copy trading these two accounts. And again, risking even more, not more, but like risking around like 750 to 1,000. It's kind of what I'm aiming for. Again, being a sniper, taking one trade only, not really taking multiple trades like today. Again, just bad, rushing it, trying to be impatient, or just was being impatient, trying to rush the process. Not really ideal. You get punished for it. Again, I'm not changing anything. There's nothing to change. It was just me being emotional. I got the live recording and all that. So, and yeah, that's really it, bro. Like, I already know what to do. I already know how to do it and what to be looking for, when to be in the market, when not to be in the market, and that's really it, bro. So that's kind of why I risk a little bit more in combines, and I'm willing to blow them. But yeah, the goal really is, again, 5 accounts, copy trade 2 and 2, and then eventually leave one just in case for the backup. And then, yeah, that's really it, bro. Not much. That's really it. I want to end this year with a good note, so I probably won't be trading these right here, the XFAs. Probably leave them out for a little bit, and then just try to buy as many combines as I can and try to pass them as quickly as possible. So yeah, that's really it. But again, not really rushing the process, sticking to the rules, and just following the system.